mentoring programs. So basically, this is where my research topic is based. To the aim and objectives, the aim of my study was to develop an understanding by investigating the limitations to time spent, and also, to the objective, I was tasked to explore the reasons for inadequate time spent on mentoring and to get some insight from the participant, especially on how long it takes them to execute an effective mentoring session, and also, as usual, to propose interventions to improve on those programs. And there goes my key research question, which is what are the factors affecting time spent by senior medical officers on mentoring the resident health extension officers at the East New Britain Provincial Hospital. Upon the review of 10 articles, there were researchers that concluded mentoring to be an effective development tool, as I mentioned, for modeling more competitive and committed clinicians as well as medical officers. So, some of the factors that influences an effective mentoring session or program was the busy work settings and shortage of staff, overcrowding of student mentees, which are the mentees, and lack of dedication, as well as the unfriendliness between the RHOs and the SMOs. That's to do with their relationship and all that. Right, so that's bringing me to the study gap that I found out that although time was also one of the factors, and but the theories and the concepts that I